I'm Eleanor Maguire. I'm Professor of Cognitive Neuroscience at the Wellcome Centre for Human Neuroimaging at the Institute of Neurology in the Faculty of Brain Sciences. My big research question is, how do we remember all the personal past experiences that we have throughout our lifetime? So these are known as autobiographical memories, and the brain has an enormous capacity to help us remember things over many decades. But how do we do this? How are these memories implemented in the brain? And that's a big research question. This topic is hugely important for a number of reasons. First of all, our ability to remember what's happened to us allows us over the years to build a sense of self. It gives us the continuity in our lives. And it also helps to inform our future decisions. We learn from our past experiences. So we're able to live independently because we've learned from the past. It also has huge societal implications because we share collective memories. So in a way, autobiographical memories are the glue that holds societies together. So we really need to understand how these are implemented in the brain, in one brain and in many brains. Well, we know the brain areas that are involved in supporting these autobiographical memories because often when these brain areas are damaged, people become amnesic and they can no longer form these types of memories. And that is catastrophically difficult for them to live independently after that. We also know that some of the brain areas that are involved in supporting these memories also support our ability to imagine the future and to navigate around in our environment. So at the moment we're trying to figure out what's the underlying computation or algorithm that allows the brain, and particularly these brain areas, to help us to recall the past. So we still have a huge amount to learn about this. Although we know a lot descriptively about what the brain areas do and how they work, we still don't understand the mechanisms involved. So it's really important that we study these memories in the real world because we know that they dissociate from memory for certain sorts of simpler laboratory type stimuli. So studying autobiographical memory ecologically is really important, and hopefully by doing so we can get at the underlying mechanisms, and then we'll be able to help patients who have difficulty with these types of memories to try and be very principled in our rehabilitation approaches. Well, the thing that I've already alluded to that blows my mind is the fact that how do we remember things? I will probably remember making this video, possibly for many decades to come. How on earth do I do that, along with all the other day-to-day experiences that I often remember? Now, we do forget a lot, and forgetting is very good. You don't want to be remembering everything. But how on earth do we do that? It blows my mind, and I really want to know how it's done.